Hi everyone, my name is Susanna and I'm presenting today my Stackathon project. What I wanted to design was a game for kids to learn how to code, so that's why it looks kind of kiddie. And I created this mostly using React, and I also included a React drag and drop component, which was a lot harder to implement than I expected. But the idea is that when you click the start button, the game starts, and you're going to try to get the panda to the bamboo in the least number of steps. As you go through the moves, it'll show down here what move you made. So when I hit the start button, it'll show you that I created one step, which is to start. And that would be like pseudocode for the kid to learn like what they did and what each button is doing. So along the bottom are buttons where you can control the moves one by one. So this is just like every time I click move down and then move right, it'll move the panda. And then this is going to be the drag and drop component. So what I wanted it to do was I wanted it to run like several lines of code or like click the different buttons all like at once. But there is a little bug, so I'll show you what that is. So if I wanted it to move up and then down and then to the left and I hit run all, it only runs the last move that I put in. But the idea is that if a kid wanted to like practice looping and doing something over and over again, then they can do that using the run all button. So this is just, nope, that's not my code. Yeah, so this is just like a little bit of the code that I used. I mostly used React-Redux and then the drag and drop component, which was available on the NPM library. So yeah, so I created like action creators and everything so that every time you click on a button, it will dispatch an action and make the panda move. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you have kids, maybe they can play my game. Thank you.